Hello traders, Lance Ippolito here, and you're probably saying, whoa, what is going on with Roku up another 25+% today? So the one thing to keep in mind, we have an $8 move in Roku today. The options are implying a $5 move, and they opened up the strikes here in Roku today. So now we have up to the 45 strike for the November expiration. So if you want to go out and play Roku, let's say instead of just buying calls hoping it goes up, a couple other ways to play it. You could sell bull put credit spread, like let's say the 4140, and you could get nearly 45 cents for that, which if you think about it, you sell the 41 puts, buy the 40 puts for a bull put credit spread. All you need prices to stay above 41 by November expiration, and you could risk something like 55 bucks per one lot to make 45 bucks. Not a bad risk versus reward setup in Roku without hoping that your calls go up in value or the stock goes up in value. Because even though the stock is at 42 right now, it could go down a full dollar and your trade is still at max profit. Another thing I'm want to dive into is WTW. So the player is back, and I am back into a Weight Watchers. I got in, and I went about this in the member video, which crushed it, over 300%. Got in to Weight Watchers pre-earnings, got out, not at the top, right around 54-ish, which still was a fantastic exit. And boom, Weight Watchers dropped. Today, huge trader comes in, Weight Watchers, buys over 10,000 calls. Hey, that's a big signal for me. The stock was down nearly 4%. Now it's only down 1.33%, and those calls are moving up very nicely in value. A couple of things I want to go over as well for the free video is the overall market. I know some people really dislike it, but I love it. I think there's so many opportunities. The Qs are still holding up. Keep that in mind. The Qs are still holding up, and our big tech names holding them up. Amazon hitting new highs. I look at something like Apple, still very, very bullish. Even something like Google, right here, still trending up. And then Netflix today, having a bullish breakout. If we can pull it up. Okay, Netflix, you don't want to load. There we go. Netflix bouncing right at support, having a nice bullish candle today too. So everything still looks good. Keep your eye on that NYSE tick. That is the ticks. Negative 800 ticks bearish, positive 800 ticks bullish, and use that. If you start seeing a lot of negative ticks, trim the longs. Start seeing a lot of positive ticks, add to the longs, and keep it simple. Thanks, everyone.